Hi friends, this web's lesson video tutorial on Laravel, and here we will discuss how to export MySQL table data into Excel file in Laravel framework. We have already published how to export data in Excel sheet in PHP and CodeIgniter framework by using PHP Excel library. But now we have learned how can we export MySQL table data to Excel file format in Laravel framework. We have work on our one Laravel application at admin side, then at that time we want to export data into Excel file, then at that we have make feature for export data to Excel in Laravel. But in Laravel there is something different process of export data to Excel file, because in our previous tutorial on this topic we have used PHP Excel library. But in Laravel we will use mod websites Laravel package for export or import data from MySQL table to Excel file and from Excel file to MySQL table. This package will also use for export-import data from CSV file also. Now let's start discussing this topic. So this is our testing database, and in this we have one customer table. In this table we have already inserted data. So we will display this data on web page and export them to Excel file in Laravel framework by using mod websites Excel package. This is our Laravel application working folder, and here first we want to make database connection, so we have open.env file. Under this file we have set MySQL credential like host set to localhost, database set to testing, username set to root, and password set to blank. After this we want to set MySQL database credential in config folder database.php file, and in this file also we have also set host to localhost, database name set to testing, username set root, and password set blank. After making database connection, now we want to create controller for handle HTTP request, so we have go to command prompt in which we have already run composer command. So here we have write PHP artisan make controller with name export Excel controller and press enter. This command will make controller with name export Excel controller under app/http/controllers folder. So we have opened this file, and under this file here first we have write use statement with database class. It will help us for database operation. After this, under this class we have write index function, so when we have directly called export Excel controller, then this function will be called. Under this function we have write $customer data variable is equal to database class with table method, and under this we have write customer table. This method will make select star from customer table. After this here we add get method. This method will execute select query and return query execution result, which we have store under $customer data variable. Below this we have write return statement with view method, and under this we have write export Excel view file name, which we have already make under resources/views folder. This view method will load export Excel view output file in browser. Now suppose we want to also send data on this file. So here we have write with method with two argument like customer data and $customer data variable. By using this method we can access $customer data on view file by this customer data variable. Now we have go to resources/views folder, and under this we have open export excel.blade.php, and under this file we have already included Bootstrap and jQuery library link. First, under this page we have create one table with 5 table column like customer name, address, city, postal code and country. After this we have write at the rate for each loop with $customer data variable as $customer data. Here we have use blade functionality of Laravel, and by using this we will fetch data from $customer data variable by using for each loop. First we have close this loop, so again we have write at the rate end for each. By this syntax we can close for each loop. Under this loop we have write open and close table row tag, and between this we have write first table data tag, and in this we have write $customer variable with customer name object. In second column we have write open and close two bracket, and between this we have write $customer variable with address object. In third column we have write again write open and close two bracket, and between this we have write $customer variable with city object name. It will print city data. In fourth column we have write open and close two bracket, and between this we have write $customer variable with postal code object name. And in last column we have write open and close two bracket, and between this we have write $customer variable with country object name. Now we want to set root for index method, so we have go to roots folder web.php file, and under this we have write root class with get method with 2 argument. In first argument we have write /export Excel, and in second argument we have write export Excel controller at the rate index method. Here we have called index method of export Excel controller when we have write export Excel in browser. Here friends we have enter our Laravel application base URL /export Excel, and this URL has load export Excel controller index method which load export Excel view file with customer data in table format on web page. Now we have go to export excel.blade.php view file, and here we have write anchor tag with href is equal to open and close bracket, and between this we have write root method with export excel.excel. This method will make URL which send request to export Excel controller Excel method for export data into Excel format. So when have click on this link, then it will called Excel method of export Excel controller. Now we have go to export Excel controller, and here we have make Excel method. This method will receive the request for export customer data into Excel format by using mod website Excel package. So first we want to download this package. So we have go to command prompt, and here we have write composer required mod website /excel and press enter. This command will install this package into our Laravel application. Once it has been downloaded and installed in our Laravel application, so we have open config folder /app.php file, and here we have add this line at the bottom of providers array. After this we want to again add Excel facade to the bottom of the aliases array. After adding this line we have now saved this page and now we can use this Excel package in our application. Now we have go to Excel method of export Excel controller and under this we have write $customer data variable is equal to database class with table method and under this we have write customer table. This method will make select star from customer table query. After this we have add get method. This method will execute query and return query execution result. And lastly here we have write to array method. This method will convert model instance to array which we have store under $customer data variable. After this we have write $customer array variable is equal to customer name, address, city, postal code and country in array format. It will use for Excel spreadsheet header. Now we want to convert $customer data which has been in PHP object, so we want to convert into array, so we have write for each loop with $customer data as $customer variable. Under this loop we have write $customer array variable is equal to customer name key value get from $customer with customer name object. Same way address key value get from $customer variable with address object. Third city key value get from $customer variable with city object. In fourth postcode key value get from $customer variable with postcode object and last country key value get from $customer variable with country object. So this way we have convert customer data from PHP object to array and store under $customer array variable. Now here first we have write use statement with Excel class. By using this code we can use functionality of Excel class on this page. After this here we have write Excel class with create method with two argument like file name set to customer data and in callback function we have write function $Excel use $customer array variable data. In this variable we have store customer data in array format and this create method will create new Excel file with name customer data. Under this function we have write $Excel variable with set title method and under this we have write customer data. This method will set spreadsheet title. After this we have again write $Excel variable with sheet method with two argument like sheet title set to customer data and in callback function we have write $sheet variable use $customer array variable. This sheet method will create new sheet and by using this function it will print $customer array variable data into Excel sheet. For print $customer array data into Excel sheet, so under this function we have write $sheet variable with form array method with 5 argument. In source argument we have write $customer array variable. In second argument we have write null, in start cell argument we have write a 1 and in fourth and fifth argument we have write false. By using this from array method it will fill worksheet from values in array, so it will $customer array variable data into Excel sheet. Lastly here we have download method with Excel file extension. This method will export and download Excel file. Now we want to set root for Excel method, so we have go to roots folder web.php and under this we have write root class with get method. Under this first we have write /export Excel and in second argument we have write export Excel controller at the rate Excel method. Here it will called Excel method when we have write export Excel in browser. For anchor tag here we have add name method and under this we have write export Excel. It will make URL. So here our code is ready. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, first we have refresh page and after refresh of web page above customer data in table format we can see export to Excel button. So we have click on this button. After click on this button one Excel file has been generated and download in our computer. Now we have opened this file, so in this Excel file we can see customer data which we can see on web page has been exported into this Excel file. So this way we can export MySQL table data into Excel file in Laravel application by using mod website Excel package. So, by using this package we can export data into Excel sheet in Laravel. So if you have used Laravel framework for web development and at that time you want to export large amount of data into Excel sheet, then you can follow this tutorial as reference of how to export data to Excel in Laravel. If you have any query regarding this video tutorial part, please comment your query in comment box, and if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.